lang doon sa makina so that we may be able to analyze the impact.
Sabi ko mga kahapon, ito, well-rounded na to. Nagsimula na
Literal.
I have more than 14 years of
Digital results. Kasi kinonsolidate mo electronically, hindi mo inakalapan. Diyan lumalabas ang resulta. So that is the difference. No? We will use by increasing, and then you put the numbers of the vote is given at mandalo sa COMELEC. This law also commands COMELEC to have a computerized voter state.
Oo naman. Diba? Ilang natin experience. Diba? Ang dami-dami, no? O, diba? Sa tingin mo, basta biglang may concern citizen na naglagay
On automated election. You have several amendments to that law, Republic Act 6646 and 71.
Ay, masisiguro. Kasi ang hirap-hirap umakyat ng 5%. And the entire campaign is because of a state. Nag-aaway sila because ang dami-dami gusto pumapel doon dahil marami siyang sila. Parang sa'yo lang sa tingin, di ba? Pero, ano gagawin? Alright. Kailangan mo pa rin sa great multa among the PDP press. Here for the first 4%, bigger than 725.
Beware of surveys. Declare conflicts of interest. Do not abuse and misuse your privileges as a journalist. Ito ang sharing is the first line of defense. Pag-usapan sa newsroom, sabihin, i-declare lahat. Second, always demand feedback like I need sa mga story. Kailangan talagang awayin.
The commercial is being made.
Yes.
Nangyayari din lang. Promote the but it appears like we are somehow
Actually ako minarespect naman your parang hindi naman ibig sabihin kung bumagsak ka dyan hindi ka